Today's tutorial, how to add, copy, and delete pages in PDFs using C#. Hey guys, welcome to this video on how to add, copy, and delete pages in C# using IronPDF. So first we'll head over to the NuGet Package Manager and install IronPDF. As you can see, I've already done so we're going to go ahead and jump into the program CS file. So we start by setting up the license key for IronPDF. This part is enclosed within a region, so you can't see it on your screen for security reasons, but it's essential for the functionality of the IronPDF library. So first, we'll import a cover page from a PDF file located in the F drive /coverpage.pdf, and this is done using the PDF document from file method. Next, we'll import the content document from the contentpage.pdf and do this in the same manner. And now we have two PDFs loaded into the application. We then merge these two documents into one using the PDF document.merge. And this will combine the cover page and the content document into one single PDF. And then we save this merged PDF as PDF with cover.pdf and then print a confirmation message onto the console. Next, we will demonstrate how to insert a page. So we take the cover page and insert it at the beginning of the content document. This operation is done using the insert PDF method, specifying the cover page and the position where it should be inserted. And then, of course, another confirmation message on the console. Now let's copy a single page. We'll load a report from the report_final PDF. And then using the copy page method, we'll copy the first page from this report into a new PDF object. And then afterwards, we'll print a confirmation message on the console. Similarly, we can copy multiple pages. So we'll use the copy pages method to copy the first 3 pages of the report and then put them into a new PDF object. And another confirmation message appears on the console once that's done. For removing pages, we start by removing the first page from the report using the remove page method. And then we print a message to confirm that as well. And of course, we can remove multiple pages using the remove pages method. We specify a list of the pages we want to remove. So in this case, we're removing pages 3 and 4. And then a confirmation message is printed on the console when it's done. So with all these operations completed, the final message on the console confirms that everything was successful. So let's go ahead and run the program and check out the output. All right, so as you can see, the program was executed successfully, and we have various confirmation messages indicating the completion of each operation. So let's take a look at the final merged PDF file. And here it is. As you can see, the cover page is seamlessly combined with the content document, just as we wanted. All right, that's it. That's how you add, copy, and delete pages from a PDF using IronPDF. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. We ask that you subscribe if you like some more videos from us. If you want to get started with IronPDF, you can go to our site and sign up for the trial, download and install the package, and check out the power firsthand. There's a link in the description below. Check it out yourself.